George Ayers, Electronics Department here at Plymouth South High School. This is the electronics pre-engineering program. As a traditional electronics program, we teach AC, DC theory, digital electronics, and solid-state devices, that kind of thing. This program, like I said, it was initially the standard traditional electronics program, but we're getting away from that. That industry is not as much of a demand in the high school level, so we're going towards the pre-engineering program, which specifically we're going to use the Project Lead the Way curriculum. It's a national recognized pre-engineering curriculum, and that's going to tie in some of the previous electronics, but then we're going to be adding the pre-engineering specific, all types of engineering, instead of limiting ourselves just to electronic engineering, which we found in the history of the program. Even the students who were very interested in electronics, they did branch out into all the other various engineering programs anyway.
Computer work, we have a pre-engineering program coming in, we have robotics, we have a digital electronics part, we have the people working on some principles of engineering, where the kids are going to learn engineering techniques from now on. It's a new program that we're bringing in piecemeal. Robotics is a club activity which we incorporate somewhat into the curriculum. Going tomorrow morning to Minnesota to compete in battle bots, and the kids learn basic robotics, how to control remote controls, electronics, power trains, batteries, building techniques, proper building techniques, I say, and what not to do. And you learn a lot from your errors after a match. We've been in 2 matches this year already, and now we're going into the national one.
The club is focused right now. We're building, this is one of our 15-pound combat robots. So this will go into an arena, a little safe arena, and it'll battle up against other 15-pound robots, and whichever one survives 3 minutes the best is the winner. Now, basically, it's got a little 4-wheel drive chassis running off a couple of motors. Most of these robots do tank steering. There's no steering wheel. It's just skid steerings. And for this one here, it's got a spinning drum. This drum will spin at 10,000 RPMs or some big, huge number, and hopefully flip people up in the air and destroy them.
Initially, it was a lot of such as VCR repair and component repair. While that has gone away because of the disposable society aspect, we have gone into more of theory, computer hardware, looking at simple computer components, and then we're moving towards pre-engineering, which is going to prepare the students for a hardware, software engineering program in college.